Hey y'all, Sam here, and it is time to unbox my Dia & Co box that I received for the month of February. Dia & Co is $20 a month. You're going to pay that as a styling fee. They're going to send you 5 items specifically picked for you based on your profile, and you only purchase the items that you like, and the $20 you paid for the box gets applied to your purchase. So let's get into the box and see what I got. So my stylist this month is Kira. Let's see if Kira did any better than last month's box. So the first item we have is a black tank top, and this is from Downing Studio, and it's in a size 3X. It feels to be cotton. It says made in China, but it does not say like what it's made of. The only interesting detail on it is right here in the front. It's got like 2 little lines that go across of it. This looks like it'll be super comfortable though. And it's really like blousey, but it doesn't look too big. This tank right here is $39. All right, so the next item we have is also from Downing Studio, and it is a skirt. A long skirt. It's going to be hard for me to show you. We'll definitely try this stuff on though so you can see it. Has a little tie here on the side. And it's supposed to be a faux wrap skirt. This skirt is $59 and it's also in a size 3X. Not sure how I feel about this. This could either be like super stylish. It looks like it does a little high-low, or it could be like really grandma. I don't know. I know I'm getting older, but I'm not that old. Come on. 30's the new 20, right? Yes. All right, let's try these two on and see what we think. Okay, so here we have the Downing Studio tank top. I have it tucked into the Downing Studio skirt. This skirt I'm actually really liking. I feel like I have to get so far from the camera in order for you guys to see it. But it's really cute. It looks like it is a faux wrap, but there's no wrap. I'm not in risk of being exposed, so that I'm very grateful for. Yeah, when I took it out of the box, y'all know, I was like, oh, I don't know about this pattern. It looks a little grandma, but I really kind of like it. Okay, so I went ahead and untucked the tank top real quick so you guys could see the tank top in all of its glory. This tank top is just a black cotton tank top. You know, it's cute. Of course, I would want to wear like a jacket or a blazer with it because I do not like my arms being exposed, which I've told Dia numerous times. However, they insist on continuing to send me tank tops. Hello, can I have some shirts with some sleeves, please? It's really cute. What do you guys think? Should I spend the money on the skirt? I might just have to. Let's give the skirt a twirl. It got a little movement on there. All right, let's move on. All right, the next item we have is a dress. This dress looks beautiful for Valentine's Day. Too bad Valentine's Day is already passed. It comes with a cute gold belt. This belt looks like something I could wear with some other shirts and things that I already own. So to me, that feels like I'm getting a free accessory if I buy this dress. But let's see how much this dress costs. Okay, so this Lucy Fit and Flare dress is $75. That's a little higher than what I would typically like to spend on a dress, but we'll just have to try her on and see what we think. All right, so here we have the London Times Fit and Flare dress. This dress is super cute. It definitely has some major Valentine's Day vibes, which I kind of wish I would have had this for Valentine's Day because I would have totally wore it. It is about knee length, so it's a good length. The outer liner goes longer than the inner liner. As you can see here when I lift it up, the inner liner is a little bit shorter. It is very soft and very lightweight, surprisingly for lace. The only thing that makes me nervous about lace is I feel like I snag it on everything. Okay, so just like that skirt, we're going to give her a spin and see if we can get a twirl. Okay, that got a really good lift on the skirt, which just makes me feel fancy and pretty. I don't know. This dress is $75, but I'm really tempted to keep it. So the next item we have in the bag is a shirt, and this is by GILLI, and it is a high empire waisted shirt, and I actually really like this floral print. I know I was just saying that the skirt looked kind of grandma, but I really kind of think I like it. The material is super like thin, but you can feel that it's not going to cling to your lumps and bumps. So that is definitely a plus in my book. On the sleeves, there is a little ruching, and I love that it actually has sleeves versus that tank, because y'all know anytime I have to wear a tank, I'm going to have to wear a cardigan or a jacket with it, because I'm just not comfortable with my arms. Just not. I know some people are, I'm not. This one I really like. Let's see how much it cost. Okay, so this Empire waist top is in a 3X, and it is $49. $49 for a shirt just seems like so much money to me, y'all. But I really like it. Let's try her on. Actually, the next item in the box is a pair of pants, so we'll just try the shirt and pants on together. Right off the bat, I don't really like that they have a pattern. I have requested a pair of black, solid black dress slacks that are wide leg or boot cut from Dia for, what, 4 boxes now? Have not yet received those, but they love to keep sending me these skinny leg ankle pants. Y'all, I'm not going to wear these, which means I'm not going to buy them. So Dia, listen up. Stop sending me these if you want me to buy stuff. Because I can tell you right now, I was considering buying the entire box to save the 25% discount until I just saw these. Yeah. They have a cute belt. But with this type of pant, I have a feeling it's going to show too much of my lower tummy, and you would never see the belt anyway, because I would need to wear a shirt that would cover that up. But let's try it on these pants and the top and see what I think. Oh, and these pants are $64. Alright, so here is the Empire waist shirt. This I love. I might need a safety pin it for work right here, so I'm not showing like a little too much cleavage here. But this is super cute. And it's so soft. And it has a sleeve. So this means I don't have to wear a jacket or a cardigan with it, which is nice because in Georgia it gets really hot during the summer. So I think that this shirt is going to be a definite keep because I really, really like it. I hope you guys do too. Leave a comment below. Let me know. Does it look good or not? Not with these pants. These pants are... Ugh. So, with the pants, these are the patterned pants they sent me. They have a cute belt on them right here. I don't know if you guys can see that from this far away, but as you can tell, I look very lumpy. Again, shapewear would probably help, but I just don't care for these kind of pants. I don't think they really do anything for me, and they're very tight. Skin tight pants I just don't feel good in them, and I don't feel like I look professional in them in a work environment. So the pants I'm not really interested in keeping. Alright, so let's wrap this up. Alright, so now that we have tried everything on and I see the items that I really like and I'm considering to keep, I definitely don't want to keep the whole box. However, if I would keep the whole box, then I would save $71, which means I could get the entire box for $194.88. Before the discount, the box is worth $286 for 5 items. Wow. I'm a bargain shopper. I go to the store and I buy shirts for like $10. So this definitely pushes my wallet. However, I do feel like I get items that I can't always find on my own. And that's one of the reasons why I do like Dia. Also, they send me stuff sometimes that, like that skirt, when I pulled it out the box, I was like, not sure about this one. It might be a little grandma, but I actually really like it. So I'm really considering keeping the skirt, as well as the shirt. I really do like that red dress too, y'all. And I like the belt. but this dress is $75. So if I keep the dress, the skirt, and the shirt, then I'm going to spend $163 before taxes. So it's probably gonna be like $180 afterwards. If I just keep this skirt and this shirt, it will be $88. Okay, I need you guys' feedback. Please help me out. Leave a comment below. Let me know which items you think that I should purchase. You know, I want your honest feedback. Which ones look good on me? Or am I loving this and it really doesn't look good? So let me know that if that's what your thoughts are. Well, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye, y'all. Oh, if you haven't subscribed, you might want to go ahead and do that. All right, till next time, bye.